Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to get notified when your Instagram posts hit like milestones, especially using Instagram on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier to stay on top of your engagement, even from your web browser. Let's walk through the steps together so you can turn this feature on in just a few clicks. First, open Instagram on your computer. Head over to Instagram.com and log into your account like you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your account's control panel, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Now that you're in Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you customize what you want to be alerted about. Inside Notifications, find and click on Push Notifications. This section controls the alerts you receive for different types of activity on your account. Scroll through the options until you see Likes Milestones. This is the feature that notifies you when your post reaches certain like counts. Once you find it, simply select On.